Hey everyone, please subscribe this Vicky Tech channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the further notifications.
Hey everyone, this is TSM from Vicky Tech. Hey guys, I hope you all are good and doing great. The thing is guys, today in this video, let's show the comparison between the latest arrival from the Dell Inspiron series 7501 model versus the HP Pavilion gaming laptop. Because one of our family member, Palakumar, asked me the question like this. Brother, what about HP Pavilion gaming laptops 1680002 40X versus Dell 7501 iSound variant? Which one do you consider a better one? So guys, our family member asked me the question like this. So I think it is better to make a video instead of giving the comment reply to him personally. So I checked the specification between these two laptops, whereas the Dell and the HP, almost all the specifications was exactly equal, but of course the price was very different. I mean, the Dell was nearly 16,000 rupees was excess, whereas this HP gaming laptop comes with at the price around 1 lakh rupee, but whereas that Dell laptops comes at the price of 1,16,000 rupees. So that's why I decided to make a video comparing these two models in specification wise. I do not have the laptop in my hands to say which one is better, but anyhow, let's do the practical comparison and let us discuss some more things about this laptop. So my dear friends, here is the laptop which our fan member asking, Dell Inspiron 7501 model versus HP Pavilion gaming laptop and its model number. So you guys check out the price of the Dell laptop. Cost is around 1,16,000 rupees, but whereas this one HP laptop cost is around 99,999, which is just 1 lakh rupee. And also whereas Dell saying that it includes all the taxes, the GST also includes. Unlike that, HP also saying that they also include all the taxes, but the price different. You have seen 16,000 rupees. So anyhow, let's take a look. Whereas guys, this laptop Dell comes with iSound processor at model number of 10750H series processor. I told you many times, if the processor ends with the letter H, it indicates the high performance. And also it comes with 12 MB cache and its turbo boost up to 5.0 GHz, and also its cores was 6 cores. So guys, let's look at the HP and let's see the processor in the HP also. So guys, you have seen that HP also comes with iSound processor, the same exact model number of the processor, and also its base frequency is 2.2 GHz and the turbo boost goes up to 5 GHz of this model, and also 12 MB cache L3, and also it also comes with 6 cores. So my dear friends, it was very clear, whereas the Dell laptop and the HP laptops comes with the same processor, 10th generation of i7, and also they comes with the H series processor and also 6 cores. HP comes with 6 cores. At the same time, Dell also comes with the 6 cores. There was no difference, and also both turbo frequency goes up to 5 GHz, whereas the base frequency starts up to 2.6 GHz. So in terms of processor department, the voting was same HP and the Dell, both was same. Whereas guys, in terms of OS department, the Dell and HP laptops, both laptops comes with Windows 10 Home Edition 64-bit. So like that, if we're talking about the graphic department, video card, so let's look at the Dell laptop, which type of video card they're using and what type of the RAM. Whereas guys, Dell uses NVIDIA's GeForce GTX 1650 Ti. It's a 4GB GDDR6. So like that, if you look into the HP also comes with the same NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Ti, and it also comes with 4GB DDR6 dedicated. So in terms of graphical department, whereas the Dell and the HP comes with the same graphical department, both comes with 4GB DDR6 type, and the graphic was NVIDIA GTX GeForce 1650 Ti variant they have used. So there was no change in terms of graphic department. There is no change between these two models in processor, GPU and OS. They use the same. So my dear friends, if you're talking about the battery department, whereas in the Dell the given has 3 cells with 56 watt, like that in HP they given 3 cells with 52.5. We have seen that it's not a deal breaker, whereas Dell comes with 56 watts, but whereas the HP comes with 52.5. So I think this was not a deal breaker in my opinion. So my dear friends, now it's time to compare the display of this HP and the Dell laptop. So let's take a look at the Dell laptop one. Whereas guys, Dell comes with 15.6 fully inches Full HD 1920 into 1080 resolution. It's the anti-glare LED backlit. It's a non-touch wide viewing angle. So like that, if you're looking at the HP, it comes with 16.1 inches screen. It's also full HD. It also IPS panel with WLED wide LED backlit they uses, and also they uses here 250 nits brightness level. So guys, if you're talking about the display, my voting is for the Dell laptop, because guys, they did not mention here Dell usually comes with 300 nits brightness level, whereas that HP comes with 250 nits brightness level. So usually the slight edge goes to the Dell laptop only. And also in terms of color gamut and Adobe RGB levels, Dell was little bit good in terms of the color production. So guys, it was very clear if you are a content creator. So for content creators, while doing editing, they need to see the LCD colors exactly on the screen. So it's better to go with the Dell laptop. Suppose if you are not a content creator, if you are just a gamer, heavy gamer, or even if you do not care about the color accuracy, then you will definitely look into the HP laptop. It doesn't mean HP screen was bad, it's also good, but when you compare the Dell laptop and the HP laptop side by side, then definitely the voting goes to the Dell laptop. So like that, it's time to talk about the Wi-Fi connectivity department. So whereas the Dell comes with 802 AC 2x2 Wi-Fi adapter and Bluetooth, here they're using the 5.0 technology. So like that, if you're talking about the HP, where it comes with Intel Wi-Fi 6, this was the good Wi-Fi AX201, and they also use 2x2, and Bluetooth version they're using a 5.0. So my friends, it was very clear in terms of the both laptops, whereas the Dell and HP can able to support 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi band as well as the 5 GHz. But of course, here the HP laptop was one step forward, because they uses here Wi-Fi 6X technology, so which means Wi-Fi 6 was recently launched in the market. So but HP was ready to connect with the Wi-Fi 6, but whereas the Dell, I'm not sure, because they did not mention in the website. So I think this Dell laptop does not support the Wi-Fi 6. So if the Dell laptop also support the Wi-Fi 6, definitely the company added the term in the website. They did not added it, but whereas HP in the website they added it can support the Wi-Fi 6. But of course, if you already purchased the Dell laptop and if you want the Wi-Fi 6 chip, then you need to remove the back cover and you need to replace the Wi-Fi chip by your own, then it will support the Wi-Fi 6. So now it's time to talk about the RAM department of this both models, whereas the Dell comes with 8 GB RAM on board DDR4 at a speed of 2933 MHz. So like that, HP comes with 16 GB DDR4 at a speed of 2933 MHz. So it was awesome. So guys, in terms of RAM department, I was interested in the HP, what the company given, because the title of the HP was gaming laptop. So usually the gamers need the 16 GB is very good. So usually Dell here given here 8 GB, whereas the HP given there 16 GB. That was the awesome deal. So finally, let's talk about the storage department of these both laptops, and let us decide which one is the better and value for the money. So in terms of the Dell comes with 512 GB M.2 PCIe NVMe slot. That's the good thing. Whereas HP comes with 256 GB NVMe SSD, and also HD also comes with 1 TB 7200 RTM SATA. Hi guys, now in terms of the storage department, Dell comes with 512 GB NVMe SSD. HD also comes with 256 GB NVMe, and additionally they have provided the 1 TB of SATA. So the thing is guys, I just want to give you an example, the company strategy here. For example guys, the cost of the 512 GB SSD is around 10,000 rupees. I was talking about NVMe SSD. Its cost is around 10,000 rupees. But whereas HP provided here 256 NVMe SSD at a cost of 5,000 rupees, and the remaining 5,000 rupees they added 1 TB SATA. So the cost of the 1 TB is around 3,000 rupees. So here it was very clear HP saved the money, 2,000 rupees nearly. So guys, it's just a logical example from my side, but both the 512 and NVMe SSD was very expensive. So in my case, if you are okay with 256 GB, whereas this 2020 256 GB is not enough, but even though if you're okay with 256 GB, then definitely you can go for the HP laptop. Of course, they also comes with a 1 terabyte internal hard disk also, and also you can purchase in outside market M.2 terabyte external SSD. You can use it like that. Whereas my laptop, I was also using the Dell laptop only 512 GB and NVMe SSD, but additionally I have purchased the SSD, so I was using the external data with external SSD. I mean, I was storing in that SSD. So guys, before ending this video, it was very clear what the specifications Dell was mentioned. The same specification was mentioned in the HP laptop. The specification was almost the same. They have used the same processor, H series, i7 10th generation. They use the same graphic card 1650 Ti, and also whereas the HP uses 16 GB of RAM, and whereas the Dell uses the 8 GB of RAM. So Dell save the money, and whereas in terms of the hard disk, HP given here for 256 SSD, of course Dell given their 512 SSD, but whereas in the, HP also given here 1 terabyte. So if you are okay with 256 GB, then you can go with the HP. Of course, you can do upgrade in the future also. So my suggestion, you can buy additional SSD in the market instead of going that 512 GB of the Dell. And also here you need to think once. If you are a content creator, then my suggestion, that panel which comes with a Dell laptop screen was good for you. If you are okay with this color correction, then you will definitely look into the HP screen. And also guys, I have another option also here. The thing is, the price difference of these both laptops was 16,000 rupees. So if you are okay with the panel which comes with the HP, then you can purchase the HP laptop to save the 16,000 rupees. Then of course with that 16,000 rupees, you can add additional 5,000 rupees and you can purchase the bigger screen which comes with the best color, I mean external monitor. There was a lot of options was available in the monitor with the best color gamut, and you can connect your PC to the computer while you're doing editing, and you can do the works with a bigger screen. Whereas the HP laptop screens were 16.1 inches like that, the Dell laptop screen comes with 15.6 inches like that probably. But anyhow, the final decision is up to you. Before ending the video, it looks like HP laptop feels a value for the money. Of course, if you are okay with that screen, keep in mind, I'm not saying, one more time I was repeating, HP laptop screen is not bad. If you compare the HP laptop screen and the Dell laptop side by side, definitely the voting is goes for the Dell laptop. Otherwise, HP laptop screen also looks very good, I'm sure in that. My dear friends, thank you so much for spending your valuable time with me. If you have any kind of specific questions, just let me ask in the comment section. I was very happy to assist you. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time with me. Take care, see you very soon.